Hi folks, welcome back to the channel. Just a quick update of the veggies and the fruit trees are doing after I pruned the fruit trees. I give them a hard pruning. I should go and have a look, see how they're getting on. But first of all, let's have a look at these corns. They're doing real nicely. Like I said in my previous video, when you plant the corn seeds, try and plant them about 1.5 or 2 feet apart, because when you plant them next to each other, this is what happens. You only get one corn from each one. As you can see, same as that one, you only get one corn from each one. But when you plant them 2 feet apart, you get, how many I've got on this one? Got 1, 2, 3, 4. Same as that one, you get 1, 2, 3 on that one. And they're just about to get ripened. As these whiskers, like this one here, you can see it's still fresh. But when they start going dark and turn black, that's when they're ready to harvest. That's the corns. The nectarine almost died, and I sprayed it with a copper spray, and it's really thriving. Again, I will look at my previous video when this nectarine became sick, had a disease, and the fruits are still on it. And I planted cucumbers here, which I harvested a couple of days ago. So I left this plant here. It's got another one growing there, and I left this one here. Look at the size of that. That's almost the length of my arm. That's huge. I grew one last year, but this one is twice the size, and there's another one growing there. That's got to be the biggest cucumber I've grown. Let's have a look at the melons. There's one there. There's another one in there. Alright, let's have a look at the fruit tree. Here is one. It's coming up. Let's have a look at the apricot. There's a new there's another bits and pieces they're growing. As you can see, they had a disease, so I chopped them down, gave them a hard pruning. New buds growing. That's my other melon. Again, I harvested about 6 or 7 from this cucumber, and it's got another 2 more growing on it. And this is my flat peach. Again, I pruned this really hard, as you can see where I chopped it, and I got new branches coming out of it. Can't see anything on this one yet. Hopefully this should start sprouting new leaves, branches. I should know within a couple of weeks if anything's coming to life on this as well. Oh, there's one there, I can feel it, it's green, soft. And this is my other melon. The tomatoes are still green, except the black tomatoes. And that's my beef tomato. Let's have a look at this melon. See how it's doing. There's a big one down here. Blood orange. There's quite a few on this. Mediterranean clementine. We should see if these fruits grow this year. Small bunch of grapes, not as big as last year, but then again I pruned it about April. Gave it a real hard prune all the way down here. Yeah, it didn't have no leaves or no branches on it, and suddenly about 3 months ago the branches shot up. The fig tree is getting big as well. I shall have to come and spray this because it's got something's eating the leaves. Should do a bit of investigation on this. Could be caterpillars. I've got a bug spray, so I'll come and spray this later on. Again, Lackwhite is doing well. It's got new leaves coming out of it. Right, should put an update another couple of weeks time.